Hello, this is the Tech Girl 007 in here, and today you will learn the best way in which you can make your Etsy shop banner with high resolution so it's not blurry like how some businesses banners are. I'll show you some examples and then I'll show you mine as well. But first of all, let's get into where we get our banner from. Right, so we've got a website called Canva. There's two versions of it. There's a free and paid version of it. You can use both. You can do a lot of stuff with both of them versions. Obviously, I already have the paid version, but I'm going to be showing you guys the free version if you guys obviously have not paid for it yet. So go on to canva.com, make an account if you don't have one by going on to sign up somewhere on the screen. It should be the first thing that you should see. I've already logged in because I have an account, and then go on to the right hand side and click on create a design. In here, search for Etsy, and then the first option that you should get is Etsy shop banner. Click on that because that's going to give you the right dimensions and some of the examples that some people must have made for you guys to use. But of course you can make your own one from scratch, but the size is important, so you want to go this way first. Right, okay, so from the left hand side we've got so many examples in here, and I'm going to be choosing one of them by searching for the niche that I'm looking for. Okay, so this way is just easier because it gives you ideas on how you can design your own one if you want to obviously use the template. So what you want to do is search for, in this case, is coffee. So I'm just going to say coffee, and then here you can see I've got all the coffee examples. I'm going to drag one of them to the canvas in here, and then we'll try to edit it as we like. Right, so here we go. This is the one that I liked, and I'm going to write my shop title in here. I've already copied it and I've pasted in here. So in here it's on the right hand side. I want to bring it either to the left or the middle by going here so that it's nice and clear. I'm going to expand it. Steaming mugs, coffee shop. Right, so that's with the text. If you don't want this text, you can either change the font from here, or you can go onto the text and select from all these other ones that you've got. There are some paid versions. As you can see, it says Pro. The ones that says Pro and it's got crown next to it or underneath it, that's what you need to pay for. But because we're working with the free version, this is what we're going to be using. And then underneath it says coffee shop. So you can either just, leave that as it is, or you can put your shop slogan in here. So for now, I'm going to leave it in, but maybe I can change the color to something like maybe brown so it can match the theme. Right, and then let's go on to the pictures. So where it says uploads, from here you can actually upload any picture that you would like. So I've got a few pictures in here. I'm going to select all three, then say open. Okay, so once they are uploaded, I can actually drag these just like that. So I've got this image in here which was in here already. Now I can either keep this in here or delete it and then bring this one in. But because look, this is a square image, we don't want this to be square. So what we need to do is go on to the elements and look for something called frames. Look, and then bring this here. Alright, so we're looking for the circle one. Okay, so if you click on it, it'll just pop in here, and then it's difficult to move it. So what I'm going to do is highlight these and I'm going to lock them, and then try to highlight something in here. Okay, so it has highlighted the circle. Now I'm going to drag it. So I'm going to drag it. Let's delete this for now. Drag it in here. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay, then go on to uploads again. bring this picture. This time, drag the picture onto here. So then double click on it. We can adjust it to how we want it. Right, there we go. That's how I want it. And obviously, if you want to bring this a little bit closer, you can. You can make text curve by going onto the text and bringing any normal text. Click on it and then go onto effects. And here's the curved text. You can curve it however you'd like. Bring it a bit. Just like the. So you can dial this up and down and then stop where you think is most suitable for your design. What I'm going to do is maybe bring this, both of them like sort of in the middle. Okay. Right, so this should be it. Here we go. So that's nice. We can remove the background. These are images still, but then the actual background is this color. So if you click on the background, and here you can choose the background color if you would like. So for example, I can change it to gray. I can change it to any other color that I would like, but I think gray is better. So I'm going to keep that. So I think that's mainly what I wanted to show you guys in here. Now let's export this with high resolution. So go on to share, click on downloads, and in here you need to pay very close attention. So first of all, we need to select PNG, which is a high resolution on its own. Then for the size, what you want to do is drag this all the way up. Okay, and then it will come up to 3600 by 900 pixels. Now we need to download this. Right, but if we didn't really, extended this and kept it to the normal size that it is, then I'll show you how both of them will look on your banner. This one will be of a much lower quality as opposed to the one that we just downloaded with a higher pixel. So I'm going to download that as well. Right, so here we go. This is an example of a much lower quality banner for this Etsy user. And then this is a much higher quality example of the banner. So first I'm going to upload the lower quality to show you guys how it looks of the design that we've just made, and then I'm going to upload the higher quality so you can see the difference. So if you go on to your Etsy shop, under where it says sales channels, basically this is taking you to the back end of your shop. So if you click on edit, then change layout, and here you want to select big banner, and that's the one that we usually pick. Right, so here we go. This is the one with the lower quality that we just downloaded. I'm going to delete this and upload the one with the higher quality. There we go. You can see the difference now. Right, so can you spot the difference between the two qualities? Tell me which one is the lower and which one is the higher quality. Write it on the comments below. Right, so I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share it, and I shall see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.